Welcome to the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship in the most harmonious way. This art form has been cherished for centuries, allowing artisans to transform simple materials into stunning pieces of decor and functional items. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just beginning your journey, the possibilities are endless. From elegant furniture to intricate details that enhance your home's aesthetic, woodworking offers a unique opportunity to express your individuality while embracing the beauty of natural materials. Each piece tells a story, reflecting not only the skill of the artisan, but also the rich history and character of the wood itself. In this video, we will explore innovative woodcraft projects that can elevate your living spaces and inspire your creativity. You will discover how to leverage different woodworking techniques and styles to create chic home decor that resonates with modern trends. Beyond aesthetics, woodworking also presents substantial business opportunities in today's market, where consumers increasingly value handmade, sustainable products. As you delve deeper into these projects, you will learn how to enhance your skills, understand the importance of various wood types, and connect with a community that shares your passion for crafting beautiful, functional art. Join us on this journey to unlock the full potential of woodworking and transform your home into a reflection of your unique style. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of woodworking and the creative projects we're exploring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support helps us bring you the latest techniques, tips, and ideas to enhance your woodworking skills and elevate your home decor. We encourage you to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts who might also benefit from these insights. Stay with us until the end to ensure you catch all the valuable information and unique projects we have lined up for you. Each moment is packed with inspiration. So let's dive in and transform your woodworking dreams into reality together. Woodworking provides a rich avenue for creating chic home decor that not only enhances living spaces, but also serves as a profitable business venture. One of the most effective projects involves designing custom wall installations that serve as artistic focal points. These installations can be tailored to reflect various styles and themes, allowing artisans to cater to a diverse range of consumer preferences. By emphasizing unique designs that resonate with contemporary trends, creators can tap into a growing market of homeowners seeking distinctive elements to personalize their spaces. Another promising area is the development of customizable decor elements. Offering consumers the opportunity to personalize items fosters a deeper connection with the product. This approach can elevate consumer satisfaction and increase the perceived value of items, enabling artisans to charge a premium. As more people seek ways to express their individuality through home decor, the demand for customizable options is likely to grow, providing artisans with a lucrative opportunity to enhance their market presence. Nature-inspired accents are increasingly popular among consumers who wish to bring the outdoors inside. Projects that incorporate organic forms and textures not only create a calming atmosphere, but also align with the wellness movement that emphasizes the benefits of nature in home environments. By focusing on sustainable practices and materials, artisans can cater to eco-conscious consumers who prioritize environmentally friendly choices. This commitment to sustainability can significantly enhance brand loyalty and attract a dedicated customer base. Decorative room dividers present another opportunity for woodworkers to create functional yet aesthetically pleasing pieces. These dividers can help delineate spaces in open-concept homes, offering both privacy and style. As urban living continues to trend towards smaller, multifunctional spaces, the demand for such innovative solutions is likely to increase. By providing unique designs that enhance usability without compromising on style, artisans can carve out a niche in this growing market. Interactive display features can engage consumers in a novel way, Projects that allow for personal interaction, whether through customization or functional features, can attract a demographic that values dynamic decor. This trend emphasizes the importance of creating meaningful interactions within living spaces, which can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat purchases. By focusing on creating products that encourage engagement, artisans can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Exploring artistic textures and finishes can elevate the appeal of wood products, making them stand out in a crowded marketplace. Techniques that highlight the natural beauty of wood grain or incorporate unique surface treatments can attract discerning consumers who appreciate craftsmanship and attention to detail. This focus on artistry not only enhances the aesthetic value of the products, but also allows artisans to justify higher price points, thus improving profit margins. Community-centric workshops can also be a valuable avenue for engagement. By hosting woodworking classes or events, artisans can foster a sense of community while showcasing their skills and products. These workshops not only educate potential customers about the craft, but also create lasting relationships that can lead to repeat business. Building a community around woodworking can enhance visibility and generate word-of-mouth referrals, ultimately driving sales. Creating personalized home experiences through woodworking can deepen consumer engagement. Projects that invite customization or storytelling allow customers to form a personal connection with their decor, encouraging them to invest in unique pieces that resonate with their identities. This emphasis on personal connection can drive repeat business and enhance customer loyalty, positioning artisans for long-term success. Innovative lighting concepts represent a unique opportunity to blend functionality with artistry in home decor. By integrating wood into lighting designs, artisans can create warm, inviting atmospheres that appeal to design-conscious consumers. As the market for distinctive lighting solutions continues to expand, artisans who focus on innovative designs can capitalize on this growing demand. Upcycling old materials into new decor items promotes sustainability and offers unique design options. By repurposing wood, artisans can create one-of-a-kind pieces that appeal to eco-conscious consumers. This approach not only fosters creativity, but also aligns with a growing market trend towards sustainable living, making it a profitable venture. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the wonderful world of woodworking with us. We hope you found the projects and ideas inspiring and that they sparked your creativity for your own home decor. Remember, every piece you create tells a story and reflects your unique style and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing for more woodworking tips and tutorials, as well as sharing your thoughts in the comments section. Your feedback is invaluable to us and helps us create even better content in the future. Until next time, keep crafting, stay inspired, and let your creativity flow.